So I tried to convince myself not to buy anything for a bit, but obviously that didn't go well. So I just can't resist. I know this was like 20 bucks, $24, I think. It was local, so I happened to win it on a Goodwill online auction. So let's go through it. This one's going to be fun, I think. So let's go. Boop, up, new setup. So it's a little different. All right, check this out. We got Inbox Texas Instruments home computer. So hopefully we won't block everything out. And the box is exploding because it's been filled with a lot of extra goodies. We got a read this first, our quick steps to get you started and set up and started now. Pretty fun stuff on how we can set it up, how we plug everything in, connection to it. I mean, this is awesome, and this is in fantastic shape. I am extremely excited about this. We got audio cassette recorder information. I don't know, maybe there's one in here. I guess we will find out. We got an addendum to the reference guide in here. Oh, special no risk offer. Challenge you to compare. So that's awesome. Check this out. Beginner's Basic. Try and get the glare off of it. Step-by-step, hands-on approach to learning the fun and power of programming in the TI basic language. I've never actually been in a TI, so I'm excited to see. I don't know how much we'll get into that, but awesome that it comes with all of this. We got a user's reference guide, which is our complete detailed guide to using and enjoying your Texas Instruments computer. So I'm definitely going to enjoy it. We got multiplication, early learning fun, solid state cartridge. I have to share that with my wife, who's a preschool teacher. Addition and subtraction. Texas Instruments video modulator operating guide. I mean, this is fantastic stuff to unbox here. Got a cassette cable, TextNet information service. More than 1,200 programs and services at your fingertips. This is the special TI home computer services I'm going to receive. Special edition of The Source, an online computer information and communication service. And then we've got Texas Instruments announces the Computer Advantage Club. Ooh, I think we can still sign up. We get hands-on computer experience, a quarterly newspaper, a membership card, and a TI home computer activity book. Surely we can sign up still, right? Oh, here's the cartridges that we were just recently shown there on the books. There's multiplication 1. Here is addition and subtraction 1. So obviously we had some educational software. And here's early learning fun. Let's see what else. This is an amazing setup. I'm unbelievably excited about what we got here. We got some extra strips here. Look at this, still in the styrofoam. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Look at that. Check that out. Isn't that fantastic? Look at this beauty. Ports across the back. I mean, we got our video. Look at that thing. Absolutely gorgeous. How can you not love that? I mean, how exciting is that? Go back up here. I'm running out of room on the bench. Move this to the side here for a second. Looks like that's what we got in the main package. Let's get in here. We should get our power supply. Oh, nice. We got our modulator. Check this out. Complete with the 300 ohm screw terminals. There's our cord to connect it with. I do have a TV tuner in here, so we may get to the point where we hook it up that way to give it a shot. This is awesome. This thing is packaged so darn well. This is all loaded up like this. And then here is, as promised, our power supply with the lovely Texas Instruments power port on it. I don't know. This is a pretty cool setup. It is safety checked. So that's exciting. We got a safety checked sticker on it. So I don't think we can beat this in-box setup here for $24. I mean, I know there's not a huge ton of interest for people out there who want to go buy the TI 99 anymore. I get that, but how can you not just love to get something in box, obviously taken care of so well by somebody who had such care that they wanted it to look. I mean, this is just the coolest little clamshell. Look at this thing. Absolutely exciting this can get out. Get a little bag here. Flip over our box. Go back up top here. Check this out. We got our powerful memory, 16K of RAM, expandable. Connects to our home TV. Broad choice of software. This is just, I mean, absolutely awesome that this is just sitting beautifully in a box. I'm unbelievably excited to turn this on. I would tell you what the serial number is, but, well, frankly, I don't want to put my glasses on, and I'm not going to try and read that. So I guess for the moment, that's where we are. Extremely excited about this computer. I think it's going to be a whole lot of fun. We're going to power it up, probably take it apart really quick and make sure nothing looks untoward. Then we're going to power it up and see what we can do. Also conveniently, I've got another TI-99 that is not working, so we may need some parts off of it. If that's the case, we'll use those to get one of the two of them working. I hope it's this one. This is a really, really pretty machine. Anyway, thanks for watching.